The Supreme Court on 10th June dismissed a group of writs filed by doctors seeking a special stray round of counselling to allow them to participate for the vacant seats available after NEET PG 2021. The writ, filed by Asta Goel, a doctor who appeared in the last year's NEET PG exam, was treated as the lead matter. The case arises out of the fact that there were many seats vacant even after multiple rounds of counselling. The doctors now approached the Supreme Court seeking a special stray round of counselling to allow them to participate for these seats. Initially on 8th June, when the case came for the admission hearing, the Supreme Court empathized with the students and criticized the Medical Counselling Committee for leaving almost 1,456 seats vacant and stated that they are playing with the future of these students. The bench, comprising of Justice M.R. Shah and Justice Anuradha Bose, also empathized with the stress faced by such students and their parents. However, in the following day, when the Medical Counselling Committee filed their reply affidavit, they stated that the counselling for 2 years, 2021 and 2022, cannot run simultaneously. They also stated that the software used for the 2021 counselling had already expired. The centre, in its reply, stated that most of these vacant seats were non-clinical PG courses, that is, those that create teachers and not doctors, and that students did not usually opt for them. The Additional Solicitor General further submitted that 1,100 of these seats were in private universities and were far too expensive and non-clinical. The National Medical Council in their reply stated that 9 rounds of counselling had already been completed pursuant to NEET PG 2021. The Supreme Court, after hearing both sides, reserved its verdict for 1 day and finally passed its order on 10th June dismissing the writ filed by the doctors. The court stated that the doctors had sought relief after 1.5 years of the NEET PG examination and that the classes for the PG students had already begun. The court also stated that by having a delayed admission into a 3-year post-graduation course, it would result in a compromise on the quality of their education, which would in turn affect the public health. Accordingly, the Supreme Court dismissed the writ filed by the doctors. What this means for the students now is that there will not be a special stray round of counselling and that the 1,456 seats will remain vacant. Stay tuned to LiveLaw for more updates.